Here's to the crazy ones, the misfits, the rebels. Skeptical.
He is not being compensated by Isagenix. What he's saying to us is heartfelt.
Believers say it changes lives. Critics call it a scam. Tonight, we cut through the spin.
It's not a pyramid scheme and it is legal.
We see genius.
Can almost be a little bit cult-like.
Because I started drinking a freaking shake.
Direct sales.
They push the human race forward.
The latest scoop on the Isagenix scam claims floating around the internet. Latest intel suggests that the scam claims are simply not true, and the company is solid, stable, and trustworthy. Experts in the field of internet marketing are quick to jump in and explain the reasons why so many people are failing to make money with this company. They break it down into 3 critical factors that are required for success. The first is you need to adopt a mindset of a business owner. Second, you need to have an attraction marketing system to generate leads and cash flow.
A leader.
They push the human race forward.
Get rich, 500,000 customers across 14 countries.
Plan B, and now it's Plan A.
But Isagenix isn't just about weight loss. It's about making money.
I'm Kathy Coover, and we're excited you're watching this video. Jim and I have been in the direct sales industry for most of our lives. Our goal is to build a company that's held up as the company that did it right. We want to create the healthiest people on the planet, pay out the most in compensation, and have a lot of fun together. One of my personal goals is to create more 6- and 7-figure earners than any company in history. That's why we created the most dynamic compensation plan in the industry. Kids who go through college or replace your current income, Isagenix is a company that can help you have it all. We are redefining the network marketing industry with our amazing products and compensation plan. Building a successful business with Isagenix takes time, effort, and commitment.
There's nothing magical in this.
The round table.
New technologies in cleansing and nutrition. And if you've had an experience with Isagenix, you'd like to tell us about your company.
Here's the positive way to work.
We're in a health crisis. I mean, just think about this. I mean, the epidemic of obesity needs fuel, and we don't get it from our food supply. Even our soils have been so depleted that fruits and vegetables don't have the nutrient value that they did 50, 60 years ago. So it really is a setup for all the degenerative diseases we see globally.
I've been using these with my patients for, gosh, 4.5 years now. I started out by using them on myself, and when I saw the benefits, I started using them on my patients, and I've had tremendous results.
Because of my reputation. On my own, I found Isagenix, and I couldn't believe the superior benefits that I got from it. Immediately, it started producing the brain chemistry of health, happiness, and increasing romance.
extra pounds.
Feel and look better immediately. If their goal is to lose unwanted pounds and inches, I mean, we've had people that have lost, 10 to 15 pounds in their first experience on the program.
Nutritionist Joanna McMillan had a look at the ingredients of the shakes.
It's a whey protein powder, which just comes from milk. You could just drink milk. It's got some carbohydrate added. It's got a few ingredients like flaxseed and so on. And then it's essentially vitamins and minerals are added. There's nothing magical here. The money that you're spending on this, you could join a gym or engage a personal trainer.
Skeptical. What if we told you you could lose 15 pounds in only 9 days? Tried nearly everything, it seems, to drop those pesky 10 pounds, but does it really work?
I've done Weight Watchers, Atkins, LA Weight Loss. I did the FenFen thing. I've lost a total of 147 pounds.
With a side effect that it loses weight.
Does the body really require a cleansing process to rid itself of toxins? Not all experts agree.
The troublemakers.
People that believe in cleansing would swear that it's almost a religion to them, and there's no arguing with them, but there's little scientific evidence that cleansing by detoxifying a normal person does any good.
Do they work? The first day was okay. I got a really bad headache because I quit drinking the Starbucks. Well, I've lost 4 pounds, so that's good. That's the beginning. So and that's pretty good for 5 days, I think.
I'm on day 5. And as of yesterday, I had lost 13 pounds. My pants are nice and loose. I lost 22 pounds, and I feel really good. I feel great.
8 pounds that I lost is almost irrelevant for the amount of energy that I feel, the amount of sleep I've been getting, and just how clear I can think. Consult your doctor.
Well, here's an honest statement. When people want to lose weight, they want it to happen right away.
Right now, more and more people are turning to body cleansing products to speed up their weight loss. Fox 31 Michelle Turner is here now with a look at how these products work.
Yes, these are wonderful new additions to a good eating plan, and that's the key. Additions, not the whole thing, okay? Doctors use body cleansing products to get rid of toxins in your system that can cause health problems. But toxins can also cause bloating and even make it more difficult for you to lose weight. That's why fitness experts are now using body cleansing to help their clients.
Size 11. And at the end of the 23rd day, I was size 5, 118 pounds.
Jennifer Pratt of Kaiser Permanente says cleansing has many benefits.
The first 9 days when I was done, I lost 16 pounds.
If you confuse this with a diuretic, absolutely not. Totally different product. Again, no serious side effects.
Dr. Aruda says those who stick to the plan do see dramatic results.
They've dropped, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 pounds in a short number of 2 or 3, 4 months.
Dr. Carlos Levy, a weight loss specialist with Broward Health, says the plan is nutritionally sound and safe. Since going on the cleansing diet plan last summer, Pembroke Pines podiatrist Dr. George Valdez says he's lost 58 pounds and he's kept it off.
It is not just the 58 pounds, it's how I feel. I feel like I'm in my 20s.
5,000 men and women packed a Las Vegas convention hall this past summer.
The ones who see things differently.
Popular Science calls Dr. William Andrews the man who would stop time. The PhD in genetics work is based on the 2009 Nobel Prize-winning discovery of telomeres, the DNA on the tips of chromosomes that actually holds the key to why we get old.
They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo, because they change things.
Dr. Robert Watine, a board-certified specialist in internal medicine, has documented more than 400 cases of patient recovery from hypertension, diabetes, kidney disease, even cardio issues.
Only changed one variable, and that's given them this. But I don't think there is a fountain of youth.
But this is pretty close?
Oh, yeah. It's improving quality of life.
Dr. Watine admits he was skeptical at first, but guess what? He takes product B now, too. I want to point out he is not being compensated by Isagenix. What he's saying to us is heartfelt. As far as side effects, guys, you're going to love this. We did find a side effect. You lose weight. You lose weight.
Here's to the crazy ones. The misfits. The rebels. The troublemakers. The round pegs in the square holes. The ones who see things differently. They're not fond of rules, and they have no respect for the status quo. You can quote them, disagree with them, glorify or vilify them. About the only thing you can't do is ignore